to is what we're interested in. She said there was another document that she referenced.
Well, there's been references about a CAD report, but nobody asked the person that would have it about it. The 911.
We have it now, thank you.
So no one needs Andrea Rose.
Now that we have the document.
Okay, well, let me ask you further, because who is Jim Willis? Who are you?
I'm the investigator working with the defense.
So did he want her subpoenaed or not?
He subpoenaed, he went through Covert, who is a licensed investigator. And
Did he want Miss Rose back to court?
We did.
So you did want her subpoenaed?
But now that we have the documents, we don't need her, so we can release her.
Did you tell Miss Rose anything, any court officer about being her boss?
I'm sorry, Your Honor?
Did you indicate to any court staff that you were somehow Miss Rose's boss?
No, sir.
Or that she was going to be fired?
No, sir.
She would not be.
Did you tell anybody that if she came back tomorrow, she'd probably be fired?
No, sir. I have the email exchange between she and I.
I'm talking about to this gentleman.
Oh, we talked on the phone this afternoon. I told him she was on call.
No. You told him to resubpoena. That's why I'm trying to inquire who wants her.
No, sir. Initially, we wanted her to come
Was
back.
there any comment made to this gentleman about someone being fired?
No, sir. None.
So you don't need her?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Can you get Ms. Skidmore to call Ms. Rose and say she's not needed at 9 a.m.? All right, who's the next witness?
Officer Jack Pfeiffer.
All right, let the jury step down. And you're wanting to recall him?
Yes, Your Honor. Just briefly.
All right. Officer, you'll step back.
Can you swear to tell the truth, so help you God?
I did.
Officer Pfeiffer, have you reviewed your body-worn camera footage in preparation for testifying in the trial in this matter?
I did.
And specifically, did you speak to Ms. Lauren Weber that night of February 25th of 2023?
I did.
And when you spoke with her, did she specifically tell you that she had been at the apartment and that it had been cleaned?
She did.
Thank you.
Questions on behalf of Mr. Taylor?
So you reviewed your body cam like today or last night, or how recently did you review it?
I've reviewed it today and yesterday as well.
So Miss Weber told you on the body cam that the apartment had been cleaned.
Yes.
She didn't indicate anything about the smell,
She stated that he had cleaned the apartment.
that he had cleaned the apartment.
Correct.
That's what she stated to you.
Correct.
Okay?
Any other questions?
All right.
All right, thank you. All right, who's the next witness?
The next witness is Miss Nijaiha Jackson.
Yes.